Hello, my name is James with Guru Dental, and in this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to create and set up a loop in your lobby area using the Guru Teach software. The very first thing that we're going to go over is how to build that loop and what types of things you might want to put into the lobby loop. And the second thing I'm going to show you is how to set up the loop so that it runs in your lobby. So here are some ideas on what you can put into your lobby loop. It's a good idea to put a logo or a picture of the doctor, maybe some staff bios, patient reviews, before and after photos, information about your website, and then of course you can add videos into the lobby loop from the Guru Media Library. All right, now I want to show you how to put together a lobby loop in the Guru Teach software. I'm going to show you a couple different methods on how to get outside images here into the Guru software. All you have to do is open up the folder where you have the images saved that you want to use. You can either drag the image into the presentation pane, or you can right-click on the image, copy it, right-click on the presentation pane, and paste it. So we now have two images in here to get started with our lobby loop. What practices also like to do is put together a slide that has a picture on it as well as some text. The easiest way I've found to do this is to use a software like Microsoft Word or PowerPoint to put your slides together. I have an example of this right here. Once you have put the slide together of the picture that you want with the text that you want, to get this into the Guru software, it's very easy. What we're going to do is use the snipping tool that is available in Windows 7 and above. Once you select the snipping tool, what it will allow you to do is put a box around whatever it is on the screen that you want a picture of. Once you create that picture, all you have to do is right-click, copy, go back into Guru, right-click in the presentation pane and paste. The next thing that we want to do is add Guru videos into our lobby loop. We can do this by going to this Find Procedures bar here on the left-hand side. If I click in the Find Procedures box and type in the title of a video, like the oral systemic health video, and then click on it when it comes up, it will come over into the presentation pane on the right-hand side. Now, if you're not sure what the title of the video is that you want to use, you can go here to the media library and then look through the library by topic until you find a video that you want. Then you can click on it and add it to your presentation. So now that we have a presentation that we want to save, I want to show you how to do that. The first thing that you want to do when you're ready to save is to click on the End Consultation button, which is this disk icon here in the right-hand corner. Once you click on that, then you need to give it a title. And I'm just going to call this my lobby loop, and then go ahead and click Save. All right, so now here it is, the lobby loop that I just created. So when I click on this, it's going to come up into the right-hand side, and if I wanted to make any changes, like let's say I wanted to move some of the slides around, you can hold down the left button on the mouse, move those slides around to where you would like them, and then when you make changes, you can go back into the End Consultation, select the title that you previously chose. In this case, it's my lobby loop. Click on Save. And then because this title already existed, it's asking us if it's okay if we overwrite the previous title. So if you click Overwrite, those changes have now been saved. And that's how you get started building a lobby loop. All right, now that we have our lobby loop created, the next thing we're going to do is get it onto the screen that we will be displaying the loop on in our lobby area. Now, the way that we're going to do this is by hooking up an HDMI cable to a computer that is running Guru and that will run that loop. I've seen this set up a couple ways depending on what the practice is like. Some practices will load it onto a laptop and hook the HDMI cable up to the TV from that laptop and then put the laptop into a cabinet. I've seen other practices who have a desktop on one side of the wall and the screen on the other, and then they will just put the HDMI cable through the wall and hook it up that way. Now that you have your computer hooked up to the screen that you're going to be playing the loop on, the last thing that you want to make sure of is that in the software, it is set to loop the entire presentation. Now, what you want to do to make sure of that is click on either one of the videos or one of the pictures in the presentation, and then your media controls are going to show up here at the bottom of the screen. The icon that you want to look at is this icon right here. Currently, it has an arrow with a 1 underneath it. This will display one video and then it will stop. So you want to click on this icon until you get to the one that looks like this. 2 arrows with some horizontal lines in between. This is the option that will loop the entire presentation, automatically advancing from one item to the next. And then when it gets to the bottom, it'll go back to the top and play through it again and just continue to loop until you stop it. Now you have all of the pieces to build your lobby loop, save that lobby loop, hook up your computer to the screen that you want to play the lobby loop on, and make sure that that lobby loop will continue to loop throughout the day. I hope this tutorial video has been helpful. Thanks for watching.